Hello, and welcome to the Passive Voice Review. In this video, I'm going to review everything that we've talked about so far. In the first video, I talked about when to use the passive voice, and I gave lots of examples that should help you get started. Second, we looked at the construction of the passive voice. And remember that video, review it, look over it, and make sure that you remember how to use the positive form, the negative form, and the question form. And don't forget your question mark. In the third, we looked at the passive with transitive and intransitive verbs. In that video, you will find a list of verbs that cannot be used in the passive voice. Remember that the passive is used when you want to talk about the object and not the subject. If your verb does not use an object, then you will not use it in a passive voice. The fourth video asked you to use the passive voice in headlines. This is very important to your last class, so please review that video and make sure that you understand how to do it. Headlines are created by using the passive voice, but removing that auxiliary verb. The fifth video talks about general truths, such as it is stated or it is believed. Remember to use the word that after the passive. It is reported that. It is known that. It is reported the most common way to follow this is to use the gerund form of the verb, such as, it is said that finding a penny is good luck. The sixth video introduced the idea of using erasma. Please review that because it's going to be very important for your next class. The seventh video discusses the use of the passive voice in academic writing, and I gave 8 examples of places to use the passive voice. It's a very important video. I would review it. The 8th video talked about changing the active voice to the passive voice, and there's some really good practice there. So all of these videos were designed to help you better understand how to form the passive voice, how to use the passive voice, when to use the passive voice, when not to use the passive voice, and some of the important parts like we reviewed in class. When do you not need the agent, for example? The agent, if everyone knows the agent, then you don't need to use it. Remember the example in class was the raise was given, and you don't need by the boss because everybody knows the boss gave it. So review all of these things. This is going to help you. All of these videos were designed to help you better use the passive voice. So review them, look over them, and we'll see you in class and we'll test exactly how well you learned it. Okay, see you soon.